Well, ladies and gentlemen, we will start again. Thank you so much for coming. Honestly, we really appreciate you giving up your time and coming to join us. We really do. The children are delighted to have a live audience. To have proper people come and watch them is so exciting. And of course, there was never any doubt when they were looking for one class to present the first live extravaganza, there could be only one, and it was 3D. It would be remiss of me not to give a little nod to the former owner of this costume and my last year leader, Mr. Marshall, who's here with us today. Just to check that it's still working okay, that in his absence we've managed to keep going. So we have a lot of special dignitaries at the back there, so please give them away. Feel free to take photographs, film away. We will have a chance at the end to maybe have a couple of groups of friends, take some photographs, have a chat, buy me a coffee. So just honestly enjoy the show, and I know you'll love it. The children are so pleased that you're here watching. Emery, over to you.
Welcome to our show, the first live performance for nearly 2 years. It's great to be back. Please pay close attention. The questions will be at the end. We've been learning about Egyptians, pyramids, mummies, and the River Nile. Isn't Egyptians more ancient than Clifton? Let's sing.
We'll start again, guys. You ready?
Right.
Don't worry, guys. We'll start again.
Who started?
Oh yeah, good thinking, Mr. Eden. Professional in the building. Good start, though, Emery. Fingers crossed.
Are you ready?
Amazing, Egyptians, exciting. and their servants. All praise to the great Pharaoh, the living God, the one and only one's great Tutankhamun. He's young, he's rich, he's king, he's Pharaoh, he's dead. We must wash him. We must dry him. Cover him with oil and put him in the salt. Now it's time for Mr. Clifton's favorite part of the mummification process. The brain removal. The brains are pulled from the nose with great care. Take out the liver. Take out the kidneys. But leave the heart. Now clean it with special salt to preserve the body. It's time to cover him in salt for 40 days and 40 nights. Good luck. After all that time, oil moisture had been sucked away by the sun, and what remains was the dried out remains of the late great Tutankhamun. And so, the beginning of the end, the body was preserved and just had to be wrapped in linen. But first, let's put false eyes and hair onto the body. We will wrap him. We will cover him. We will bury him safe and sound. And so the body inside the sarcophagus was hidden in a secret tomb in the giant pyramid of the Father Kings. It would remain there for thousands of years, protected by a magic curse from robbers, thieves, and school trips. Howard Carter was the man to find the missing tube, but that's another story for another day. For now, our story draws to its inevitable close. The mummy is hidden, the lessons are learned. There's time only to tell you a song we've been working on. Don't be scared, we're not. Oh no! What's that? Mommy!
Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, can I echo the words mentioned earlier, how delighted we are to see you all here. It feels a little step closer to a bit of normality, I guess, and bringing people back and watching our shows. We are, of course, streaming it live, as is the norm today, but actually having you here in front of the children has made their day. Can I please take the opportunity to thank the delightful Mr. Clifton for his hard work today. We liked him, he was at the back, we dragged him from the back. He did step up and volunteered, which was fantastic. First time we've done this for 2 years, so it was quite a commitment. Can also thank the lovely TAs who are sat over there who worked incredibly hard. And let's credit Eden and our marketing team and Mrs. Marshall who's back there. All our hidden stars back there. Again, worked fantastically hard. I know the children here had a fabulous day yesterday. It was tiring, but they loved it. Lots of incredible activities, and this is the first of a whole week of shows ahead of us to kind of finish off our ancient Egyptian topic. This is definitely one of those lovely ways where you can start to see what they've been learning about in class. Now, I have been promised a quick encore as well, if you'd like. Absolutely. What are we going to have as a...
We have a song. Are you ready, Miss Marshall? Are you ready, kids?
So what we'll do, children, can you stand up first of all, because these, of course, are the stars of the show. Before they do the encore, I think they deserve a massive, big round of applause. They're stepping up, being the first stars of our show. It takes a lot of courage at year 3 to stand up and talk in front of a public audience, so they've done a great job today. Well done, guys. Enjoy your moment. Grab some photos at the end. Don't forget to grab a coffee from Cafe 61, of course. And thank you very much for coming along today.